Yo, what's up guys, it's me Jody Edson and this is my November 2021 news stock of aceofdeception.com. Well, Ace of Deception is Pakistan authorized distributor in Pakistan for playing cards and magic tricks. And now I'm going to open this box. So guys, this is my new stock of November. You guys can see some red bicycle standard decks, some blue bicycle standard decks, and funny things about few of those red bicycle standard decks are their seals are a bit off, but it's funny, while other have almost on point, but things happen in mass printing. Then we have the Grateful Dead playing card. These are new release by Theory 11. Awesome design, honestly one of my favorite decks which is released now. Grateful Dead, then Avengers in red, basically Avengers Infinity Saga by Theory 11 in red. Then in blue, then we have James Bond 007 by Theory 11. Awesome design, deck design. Then Nebula, one of my, this is my personal basically liking. I really like this design. You guys can see the pictures on it. This is really awesome and cool looking deck. Then we have Bicycle Legacy Edition. Basically this is in red, this is in blue. These are by Illusionist. Then we have Serengeti deck Bicycle. Then we have Hellions. This is by Daniel Madison. Then we have Monarchs. These Monarchs are in blue. Then basically blue, red, green and purple. Then we have basically Bicycle Black Ghost and Bicycle Black Tiger. These are Legacy Edition decks. Then we have Bicycle CK, Bicycle Avery. Then we have these two by Illusionist. These are Bicycle Series 1900. These are marked deck and designed to look old, like 100 years old. Then we have Mint, basically Mint V2, Cucumber and Blueberry. These are marked deck by 52 cards by Asad Chaudhary, very famous YouTuber. Then Memento Mori in original. Then we have these by Illusionist. These are basically Killer Bee playing cards. Then we have two Nox red and blue by Blue Crown deck. Then we have these are Darren Brown playing cards. Awesome design. These are designed to look like a book. You guys can see. These are also, I believe, by Theory 11. Awesome design. Then we have this is Mindfulness, very unique design. Then we have this, the Zero. Trust me brother, this is basically a pre-order, but once I saw, I really like this deck. Awesome design, beautiful deck, beautiful tug case. The lighting, the color contrast, everything is so beautiful. Then the Butterfly Bicycle Butterfly, I believe this is Violent. And the last is basically Light and Sound Firework deck. So, and if you live in Pakistan and want to buy these, well, we are offering cash on delivery to almost all major cities in Pakistan, basically using TCS. So if you want to buy these, you can visit our website, which is www.aceofdeception.com, or you can call me, contact me or WhatsApp me on this number, which is 0302 9425 So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this or want to order some decks, please do let me know. Bye, peace.